Hi everyone, welcome back to another episode of Wake&Tech. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to download TikTok application on your Android device. Watch the video till the end and don't forget to subscribe to our channel if you've not yet. Also press the notification bell icon so that YouTube will notify you whenever we post a new video. In order to download a TikTok application on Android, first thing to do is to make sure that you have a strong internet connection. Turn on your Wi-Fi or your cellular data, and once you have it, tap open your Play Store. In the search box that appears at the top of the screen, search for TikTok, and once you make a search, you'll be able to see the application displayed on the screen. Tap on the app in order to view the further information about the application. To install the application right in your mobile device, tap on the install button to begin the downloading process. The downloading process might take a while depending upon your internet speed, so be sure to be connected to a strong one. The TikTok application is a video-focused social networking service which hosts a variety of short-form user videos from genres like dance, comedy, education, and much more. Wait until the app gets installed on your device after the download has finished. After the installation is completed, tap on the Open button to launch the app open. That is how you'll be able to download TikTok application on your Android device. If you don't have an account yet, sign up for your TikTok by using your phone or email. Continue signing up with Facebook, Google, or even Twitter. Once you have an account, you can tap on the login button and log into your account by choosing one of the options displayed on the screen, enter your credentials, and you are good to go. That is how you'll be able to download the TikTok application on your Android device. I hope the tutorial was helpful. If it was, go ahead and give us a thumbs up. I'll be back soon with more tutorial videos like this. Thank you for watching.